Hello, my name's Rebecca, and this is Your Bourbon Journey. Welcome to episode 69 of Thirsty Thursday Cocktails. Tonight, we'll be creating the Dandelion Crown. This is a riff on a Kentucky classic, the Seelbach, but we're replacing some of the traditional ingredients with things like Elderflower Liqueur and introducing a really interesting bitter by Jeptha Creed. Let's get started here tonight. For our base spirit, I've selected a Four Roses OBSV, and it is 126 proof. This particular one was personally selected by Brent Elliott for their private selection, and it has notes of bright apricot, brown sugar, and pear, which is going to flow lovely with these other floral ingredients that we're building. We will use 1.5 ounces of the Four Roses right into our mixing glass. And the mixing glass does have a block of ice in there to do a little bit of chilling and to slightly dilute this 126 proof spirit. Now, the Elderflower Liqueur is our sweet note that we're adding. It's floral, lovely, very graceful sweetness for this cocktail. We will use 3/4 of an ounce of the elderflower. Right there. Now for the fun piece here, I was recently at Jeptha Creed and they had these amazing dandelion bitters. So this is going to bring some really interesting kind of earthy notes, almost savory notes to the cocktail. We'll use about 4.5 dashes of the dandelion bitters. And then finally, to get that little pink hue happening for Mother's Day and to bring in some of those other floral notes that we like with the Peychaud, we'll use 2 dashes of it. And that is really all there is to this part of making the cocktail. We will lightly stir just for a couple seconds here to get it incorporated and ensure that the ice has had a chance to chill our ingredients, as well as slightly dilute that 126 proof bourbon. That should be sufficient. Now we have a chilled coupe glass here that we will strain this right into. There we go. And for the sparkling piece, depending on your sweetness level, you could go with a Prosecco or a Cava. I have selected a Brut Champagne, and I think it works quite lovely with this cocktail. We'll just top it off with that. It's going to give us our bubbles, make it festive for Mother's Day. And what mom doesn't enjoy some bubbles on Mother's Day? It's got some great aromas here. It smells floral and got that little sparkly hint coming forward. Cheers to the Dandelion Crown for Mother's Day. I am getting those notes from the Four Roses right away. That pear is coming forward and the brown sugar is helping to sweeten this a bit. And the elderflower is just lovely and soft and quite graceful in this. It's amazing. But I think the star of the show is the Dandelion Bitters because they're bringing this earthy and savoriness to the drink. Of course, I love the bubbles. I'm a bubbles girl and I like the Brut, of course. But that is making this feel very, very festive. It's got so many sophisticated floral notes happening, and it's balanced with the savoriness of our bitters that it's just like having springtime in a glass. But tonight, as always, I ask that you please drink responsibly, that you have a fantastic Thirsty Thursday and the most amazing Mother's Day this weekend. I do hope you'll celebrate with the Dandelion Crown. Cheers.